I'll go down on the side of those this time.
You just, yeah, straight up hit that stump, I feel like. Oh. Yeah, I know.
I'm gonna go left.
Left?
Yeah. Dude, you got so lucky on the four-wheeler. It's actually crazy to me.
Yeah, for real. I saw it rolling back and I'm like, oh no.
It looked like he stopped it, but then it kept going.
Like this at my feet.
Oh yeah.
Gotta figure out the most redneck music to post over this. Oh. Oh.
They just sent it. I had a feeling that was deep. Oh my god, dude, we're gonna get some fucking lost out here. I think we should go this way.
How far did you go yesterday?
We did not go here.
This is impressive.
Oh, there's another tree stand. I think we should turn around. Also, that looks like a quarry. Oh, that is a quarry. Yeah. Oh no, we'll just keep.
Yeah, now that was deep.
I think that's a dead end.
That's it. Did you hit him?
No. Thought about it. Yeah.
I mean, that thing's getting used proper.
I feel like we need to hose it off. When we're... Oh, I forgot about that. Fucking puddle. This thing does it right for shitty tires.
Yeah, I'm actually kind of surprised.